This class requires the creation of an online portfolio, and to do that you'll need an account with Google. So if you have a Gmail account, or you're on YouTube, or if you signed up for something else with Google, Google Docs or Google Plus or whatever, you're good to go. So what you need to do then, go to Google, you need to sign in, and then in the drop down menu at the top you need to go to More and Even More, and you need to find Sites. So this is a free program that Google offers that lets you create a website, and that's what we're going to be using for your final portfolio for the course. So once you click on Sites, it should take you to that location and get you started in the whole process of creating a new website that you can edit and add copy to for all the stories you've done. You won't have all these on there. These are from previous classes and some of my other sites that I've created. So you want to go to Create. You want to use a blank template, otherwise you're going to have a whole bunch of baggage if you use some of these other ones that brings in some coding and things that you don't want to deal with. And then name your site. So maybe you want to call it Journalism Portfolio and your last name, or whatever you want to call it. And it'll tell you down here if that site's available. At the end of the semester, this is the area that you're going to send me. You're going to send me this name. So it's going to start with https://sites.google.com/site/ whatever you call your portfolio. Right? I'm not going to create a new one for this, but just be aware this is the email or the address you're going to send me in an email or attached to the link when you submit your final portfolio. All right, so once you find out that your site has availability, you want to select the theme, and you have a whole bunch of different choices. Just pick something that's easy to read. So you may like the colors and all those sorts of things on here, but if it's hard to read when you put things in, that's going to be a problem. There's also some more options if you want to give it a site description, some keywords and things that might drive traffic if you want people to Google your name and find this site. You might want to put some things in there, and then punch in the secret code there. All right, I'm going to cancel this. I'm just going to pull up a Journalism 1320 sample. So you're creating the site. On your home page, you're going to write a memo that explains to me the choices you made for your portfolio. So why did you pick these stories? What did you learn in the class? And what grade do you deserve on the portfolio, and why do you deserve that grade? You're also going to create more pages. So if you look up here, I can edit the home page. I can edit other pages. I can add pages. So you can create a page. So this could be story number 1. This could be a profile. This could be some other story you're writing. So you give it a name, and then you create a new page. And that'll list here over here. So if you have an enterprise story, for example, you can add a file. So if you want to just add a file and drop it in, search your computer, find a file, and then link it on there. If you don't want to do that, you can edit the page. You'll get a blinking cursor under this, whatever you've named your page, and then you can cut and paste from Word or some other word processing program your document in here, and then save it. Okay? Make sure you save things, and then they go live. So once you save it, it goes live. So in the end, you'll have a portfolio that you can send me an address for, and that'll complete what you have for the class. So depending on what course this is for, you'll have a portfolio with a home page and 3 or 4 subpages with your stories on them. And again, you can attach them as documents, or you can cut and paste it in. That's up to you. So that's the portfolio. Good luck with that and have fun.